I'm Chef Danielle Wecksler with TEC Grills. Today we're going to be talking about our infrared smoker roaster for our G-Sport grill. Our G-Sport is our most versatile grill in that you can use it on just about any surface, even wood like we have it here. And with the addition of our infrared smoker roaster, it becomes even more versatile because now you can actually sear on high temperatures, but also you can smoke and roast at low temperatures as well. And I'm going to show you how to use it. The first thing to do is to actually add some wood chips directly to the grates of the grill if you're going to be smoking. Just a few handfuls will do. Just make sure they're in between the grates of the grill like that. The next thing, you're going to take the two pieces of the smoker roaster and put them directly on the grates of the grill. The infrared smoker roaster is made out of 304 stainless steel, which is the same steel that we make our TEC grills from. And the radiant drip tray at the bottom is a heavy-duty pan that will not only collect the drippings from your food as it cooks, but it will also help to disperse the heat so you really can get that low and slow temperature. Whenever you use the infrared smoker roaster, you're going to want to preheat the grill on medium heat with the smoker roaster in place. Just close the lid and preheat it for about 10 minutes or so. Then when you go ahead and put the food on the grill, turn the heat down to low and finish the cooking. Now let me show you what I've been cooking today on the infrared smoker roaster. I have some chickens that I've been roasting for just about an hour or so. I just rubbed them with a little canola oil, a little salt and pepper, and I poured some beer into the radiant drip tray to give it some extra flavor. The great thing about the infrared smoker roaster is it's just like a rotisserie, but you don't have all those moving parts. As you can see, you can get beautiful rotisserie style chicken with the infrared smoker roaster. To turn your TEC grill into an oyster roaster, just add water to the radiant drip tray, and then you'll close the hood to cook your oysters. Another thing that we love to cook on the infrared smoker roaster for the G-Sport grill is Boston butt. We've been cooking them for 8 hours to get that wonderful pulled pork fall apart texture of the meat. That's why we love the infrared smoker roaster for the G-Sport grill, is because it makes slow cooking so easy. For more information, more recipes, videos, and how-to tips, please visit the Backyard blog on our website at tecinfrared.com.